Garden furniture, benches and chairs. Incorporate wooden benches and chairs to provide comfortable seating areas. Choose styles that complement your garden's aesthetic, whether rustic, modern, or traditional. Tables. A wooden table can serve as a great spot for outdoor dining or entertaining. Consider a picnic table for a casual vibe or a smaller bistro table for intimate gatherings. Planters and raised beds. Wooden planters. Use wooden planters to house flowers, herbs, or vegetables. They can be functional and decorative, adding height and structure to your garden. Raised garden beds. Build raised beds from untreated wood to grow your plants. This not only improves drainage and soil quality but also adds a rustic charm to your garden. Garden pathways and borders. Wooden pathways. Create pathways using wooden boards, logs, or planks. This can guide visitors through your garden while adding a natural feel. Edging. Use wooden stakes or logs to create borders around flower beds or pathways, helping to define areas and keep mulch or soil in place. Arbors and trellises. Arbors. Install a wooden arbor at the entrance of your garden or over a pathway. It can provide support for climbing plants like roses or vines, creating a beautiful focal point. Trellises. Use wooden trellises against walls or fences to support climbing plants. They can also serve as decorative elements. Decorative accents. Wooden signs. Create or purchase wooden signs to label plants, gardens, or pathways. Personalize them with quotes or names to add character. Sculptures and art. Incorporate wooden sculptures, carvings, or decorative art pieces to enhance the visual interest of your garden. Birdhouses and feeders. Birdhouses. Build or buy wooden birdhouses to attract birds. They can serve as functional homes for local wildlife and add charm to your garden. Feeders. Wooden bird feeders can also enhance your garden's appeal while supporting local bird populations. Fencing and privacy screens. Wooden fences. Use wooden fencing to create boundaries and provide privacy. It can also serve as a backdrop for climbing plants. Screens. Wooden screens can be used to divide different areas of your garden or provide privacy for seating areas. 8. Maintenance tips. Wood treatment. To prolong the life of your wooden decor, treat it with weather-resistant stains or sealants. This protects against moisture, UV rays, and insects. Regular cleaning. Clean wooden surfaces regularly to prevent mold and mildew. Use a gentle soap solution and a soft brush. Repairs. Check for signs of wear or damage, such as splinters or rot. Address any issues promptly to maintain the integrity and appearance of your decor. Types of wooden vanities. Natural wood vanity. Look for vanities made from solid hardwoods like oak, walnut, or teak. These materials are durable and can withstand moisture with proper sealing. Reclaimed wood vanity. Consider a vanity made from reclaimed wood for a rustic and eco-friendly option. Each piece will have unique character and history. Floating vanities. A floating wooden vanity creates an open feel. It allows for easy cleaning underneath and can make a small bathroom appear larger. Design considerations. Countertops. Pair your wooden vanity with a non-porous countertop, such as quartz or granite, to resist water damage. This combination provides durability and aesthetic appeal. Storage solutions. Choose vanities with drawers and shelves to keep toiletries organized. Open shelving can display decorative items or plants. 2. Wood accents. Wooden shelving. Types. Use floating shelves made from solid wood or reclaimed wood. They can hold decorative items, plants, or extra towels. Installation. Install shelves at varying heights for visual interest. Ensure they are securely mounted to hold weight. Towel racks and hooks. Materials. Select towel racks made from wood that complements your vanity. Teak or cedar are great choices due to their moisture resistance. Placement. Position towel racks near the shower or sink for convenience, and consider using hooks for additional hanging space. 3. Wooden flooring. Choices for wooden flooring. Engineered wood. This is a good option for bathrooms as it is more resistant to moisture compared to solid hardwood. Ensure it has a durable finish. Bamboo. Bamboo is naturally resistant to moisture and is an eco-friendly choice. It can work well in bathrooms if properly sealed. Wood look tiles. If you want the appearance of wood without the maintenance, consider ceramic or porcelain tiles that mimic wood. 4. Wooden wall features, accent walls, wooden panels. Create an accent wall using wooden planks or panels. This can be a great backdrop. Wainscoting, installation. Wainscoting can protect lower walls from water damage while adding a decorative touch. Use moisture-resistant coatings to protect the wood. Height. Typically, wainscoting is installed about 1/3 of the way up the wall. This height can vary based on your design preference. Decorative accents, wooden signs and art, personalization. Create or buy wooden signs to label different areas, e.g., relax or wash. These can add a personal touch to your space. Wall art. Incorporate wooden art pieces or carvings to enhance the decor. These can be hung or placed on shelves for added texture. Storage baskets, wooden baskets. Use wooden or wicker baskets for storing towels. Toiletries, or bathroom essentials. They can be both functional and decorative. Birdhouses and feeders. While typically associated with outdoor spaces, you can creatively use small wooden birdhouses or feeders as decorative accents in larger bathrooms. They can hold small items like cotton balls or display air plants. Lighting fixtures, wooden light fixtures. Types. Choose wooden pendant lights or sconces to complement the natural elements in your bathroom. These can range from sleek modern designs to rustic styles. Placement. Position lighting fixtures strategically over the vanity or in the shower area to provide adequate illumination, combining wood with other materials, mixing textures. Contrast. Pair wooden elements with materials like marble, glass, or metal to create a balanced design. For example, a wooden vanity with a marble countertop. Natural elements. Incorporate plants, such as ferns or succulents, alongside wooden features to enhance the natural feel of the space. Maintenance tips, waterproofing, sealing. Ensure all wooden surfaces are properly sealed with a water-resistant finish. This will help prevent warping and damage from humidity. Regular treatment. Reapply sealants every few years, especially in high moisture areas, to maintain protection.